Assalamualaikum, sir. Myself Nadia Qudsi. Sir, what will you take today? Physics.
Yes, welcome, Islam. Okay, today we are start, new chapters. Is it clear? So without
Sir, in math?
yes, beta.
Sir, Assalamualaikum.
Sir,
chapter
this
six.
is number Fatma.
Welcome,
Chapter
Islam.
7, sorry.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
chapter
beta.
7.
Yes.
Sir, I want to say that, sir, we are having four chapters will come in our assessment. So, sir, please take revision test.
Okay, beta. Inshallah, I will take it also. But
So, you will
today,
tell our math marks in Monday.
yes, I will tell you on Monday. Okay, beta. So first of all, listen to me carefully. What I am saying. I am starting this chapter, and whatever you have queries regarding the test. Okay, from one chapter to chapter number 4 as they are coming in your assessment exams. Is it clear to all of you? You can ask me any query if you are having. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will try to make a test for that so that your revision will also takes place. Okay, so on what date you have your maths test?
Sir, our first
First paper is
July.
of math on 5th of July.
5th July, no beta?
5th of July, our first paper is of mathematics.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So within 1 minute, I will start chapter. Please, everyone, few copies I have checked. So start preparing. Okay. So
Okay, sir. Sir, we have to submit the copy to you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you have assigned the first chapter
beta,
till
listen,
6 chapters, so I will submit.
listen to me first. I will tell you this also. First, start the class. Okay. Yes, my screen is visible to you.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen to me
Yes, sir.
carefully. First of all, I am
Yes,
explaining.
visible.
Listen to me carefully. Okay, after this, I put you on mute, everyone. So listen to me carefully. Whatever I am teaching you, listen it carefully. On that basis, you have to do the questions. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear to
Okay, sir.
everyone? Okay, so I am muting you
Yes,
all.
sir, it's clear.
Listen to me, muting you all. Okay. Oh. First of all, see this. What is factor? A factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. For example, 24 is given to you. Okay. And 1 into 24 will be 24. 2 into 12 is 24. 3 into 8 is 24. 4 into 6 is 24. So these numbers 1 itself, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 12 is not here. 12 into 2 is 24 and 24 into 1 will be a 24. So remember, see in your book also on page number 111. Okay. On one page 111. Okay. Definition of factor is given to you. What is factor? Okay. Factor is basically a factor of a number exact divisor of the number itself. In other words, the number that are multiplied to get a product are called factors. Suppose that factors of 4 in this your book will be factors of 4. So 1 into 4 will be 4. Okay. 2 into 2 will be 4. Okay. Then 4 into 1 will be 4. So as per definition, it is written the number that are multiplied to get the product. Okay, what we are multiplying to get the product? We are multiplying 1, we are multiplying 2 and we are multiplying 4 to get this product. Okay, so these factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Okay, in the second example, is factors of 6. How we get 6? By multiplying which number? We want 6. So what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 1 by 6, we get 6. We have to multiply 2 into 3, we get 6. We have to multiply 3 into 2, we get 6. We have to multiply 6 into 1, we will get 6. So these numbers are similar, so we have to choose one from each. Okay, so factors will be factors of 6 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so these are called factors. These are the properties also of factors also. Okay, second property is that every factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. I'm saying that equal to or less than or equal to. The second property, okay, less than or equal to means that suppose we are finding the factors of 6. Factors of 6, what we get? We get 1, 2, 3 and 6. So listen this, see it. This 1 is less than 6, 2 is less than 6, 3 is less than 6 and 6 is equal to 6. So as per property number 2 on page number 111, it is there that every factor, every factor is a number is less
Which
than
page number is?
111. Beta, it is written on the screen also, 111.
Okay.
So every factor of a number is less than or equals to that number. Okay. And third property is that every factor of a number is exact divisible of that number. Means whatever, suppose we are finding the factors of 6. So every factor, this is also divisible by 6. This 2 is also divisible by 6. Okay, we know 6 upon 2 will be 3. Okay, 6 divided by 3 will be 4. Also will be 2. 6 divided by 6 will be 1. So as per property number 3, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Okay. And last fourth one is property is fourth property is given as the fourth property is number of factors of a given numbers are finite. Means numbers of that factors are finite. Since every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number according to property number 2, therefore numbers of factor of a given number are finite. Okay, means suppose that 12 factors, what are the factors of 12? Means that 12 okay, factors of 12 means in how we get 12. 1 into 12 will be 12, 2 into 6 will be 12. So 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 3 is 12 and 6 into 2 will be 12. Okay, and 12 into 1 will be 12. Okay, so these are the factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 6 and 12 itself. So they are finite. Okay, remember these factors of every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. These are all less than. Okay, according to property, till here to here are all less than 12 and this is equal to 12. Okay, you can find and another thing these are finite. 1, 2, finite means they are countable. So these are the few properties of factors. Okay, now move to page number 112. Okay, page 112. Properties of multiples. Okay, what are multiples? I'm telling you what are multiples. See here, multiple is the number you say that when you skip count by given number. Multiples of 12 means 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Okay, multiples means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. How many numbers you get after multiplying that number? So these are multiples. That's why it is written infinite. You can multiply 2 into 1000, 2 into 1 lakh, 3 into 1 lakh. Okay, so they are called multiples. As per definition here also, it is a multiple is a number. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. Okay, so multiples of 2, let's say. Okay, so it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, 14, 16, and so on. Okay, it's continuous, so on. Okay, so these are called multiples. Is it clear? So it is countless, infinite. Here also example is written, see on page number 112 also. Below the definition of multiple, for example, multiple of 4 is 1. Okay. Multiple of 4 is written as 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you multiply with this number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. What will you get? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, like that. Okay, so this is about multiples. And this also, look here, some properties are given for the multiple also. Every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, you all know every multiple of a number is a greater than or equal to that number. For in previous case, about factors, it should be less than. In factor, what we have studied right now, factor less than or equal. Okay, but in multiple, what we are seeing here, that it should be uh, every number is greater, it should be greater than, okay, or equal to, or equal. This I told you here. Okay, okay, I rub the example. 4 multiples of 4, we are writing multiples of 4. 4, 8, 4, 0, 4, 4 are 16, 4, 5 are 20. So these are greater than 4. Equal to 4 means it is equal. This part, my arrow is there. Okay, and greater means 8, 12, 16, 20. These are all greater than 4. So these are the according to property. And they are also infinite, as I told you. Dot 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 means 3 dots are given. That means the number is continuing. Okay, continuous is there. Okay, now we are telling you very important property. On that basis, you will have your exercise. Types of natural number. Okay, types of natural numbers. Okay, all know earlier also that even number. Okay, what is even numbers? I'm telling you, even numbers, those numbers as per definition, a natural number which is exactly divisible by 2. Okay, divisible by 2. Next one is what is, okay, like example 2, 4, 6, 8. These are all numbers are divisible by 2, so they are even numbers. Okay, odd numbers, what are odd numbers? Okay, these are very important, which are not divisible, not exactly divisible by 2. These are called as odd numbers. Okay, so these are very important. Remember, these MCQs will very much MCQs will be made on this topic. Prime numbers, you already studied about this also, I think, in earlier classes. Prime numbers. Okay, What are prime numbers? A natural number which is greater than 1 and whose only factor are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Okay. Okay, I will give you chance to everyone to say something. Let me complete this one, then I will talk to you. Okay. So, prime numbers like which are greater than 1, and whose only factor are 1 and whose only factors are 1. Okay, and the number itself, okay. Example is written to you that 2, 3, 5, 7. Nidia, what is doing? What you are doing? 11, 13, 17. 11, 13, 17. So as per definition, it is greater than 1 and whose only factor are 1 and itself. Means factor of 3 is, how will 3, 1 and 3 itself. Factor of 7 is 1 and 7 itself. 11, 1 and 11 itself. So these are all prime numbers. Okay. Now next is composite number. What do you mean by composite number? Composite number. Okay. So composite number are having more than 2 factors. Okay, that is called composite number. Means one example is written here that factors of 9. Okay, let's say factor of 9. So what are the factors? 1 is always a factor of every number. 1, 3 and 9. It is more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Okay, so these are very important things. Even number which are divisible by 2. Okay, odd number which are not divisible by 2. Prime numbers which have only one factor and the number itself. Okay, prime numbers and composite numbers having more than 2 factors. Now, which is very important, come to composite. What is composite number? Or what is, sorry, co-prime number? Okay, so I am telling you what is co-prime number. Co-prime numbers. Okay, if two numbers have common factor 1, they are called co-prime numbers. Okay, for example, two numbers are given to you. Factors, we do the factors of 18. It will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. We stop here. Okay, and factors of 35 will be 1, 3, 7 and 35. So see here, only one is common. Okay, see, only one is common. Okay, so only one, not 5. Okay, only one is there. One is common, so that is called as a co-prime number. See in your book on page number page 113. Okay, examples. See examples of composite number. Okay, so this is composite number. Oh, sorry, co-prime numbers. And see in your book also pairs are given 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8, 9. Okay. Any two prime numbers are always co-prime. Co-prime numbers need not to be both prime numbers. This is important. Okay. Here see when 3 and 4. 4 is not a prime number. Okay. Is it clear? So these are very important things. Now what is perfect number, which is very important? This is perfect number. Okay, I tell see you what is perfect number. A perfect number. A number is called perfect if it is equal to the sum of its divisors. Okay, see in your book, if the sum of all the factors of a number twice the number, then the number is called perfect number. For example, factors of 6. Okay, factors, I am telling you perfect number. Okay, so means factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so according to definition, if the sum of all factors means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, we are doing sum. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, if the sum of all factors is twice the number, then the number is called perfect number. Okay, here also I am showing to you. See, 6 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 28, 7 plus 14 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. When we add this thing, we will get twice of that. Okay, 28 is given to you. And see here also in your book, it is given 28 also. Okay, so factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28 itself. So when we add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, what we get? We get twice of this number. Okay. What is the twice of this number? We have to get according to property. 2, 8 twice, it is 16, 2 to 4, 5. Okay. When we add this thing, 7, 4, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 14, 7, 3 is 14 plus 14 plus 28. This is 16, 1 carry, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 56. Okay, so we are getting same, twice of this number. Okay, now on page number 114, move it fast. On page number 114, twin primes. Okay, twin primes and prime triplets is given to you. Okay, according to definition, these are the pairs of prime numbers which follow each other and differ by 2. Okay, means see example 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. So these are the prime numbers. And what is the property of this twin prime? They are differ by 2. When you take the difference of 5 and 3, it is 2, 7 and 5, it is 2. Okay. Or we can say that when we add 3 to 2, we will get 5. When we add 2 to 5, it will get 7. Is it clear? So this is called your prime triplets, a set of 3 successive prime numbers, the number differing by 2, form prime triplets. In twin, there is a pair of 2. In prime triplets, there is a pair of 3. See, 3, 5, 7 is your given in your book. See, the difference is 2. Okay. In the twin prime also, okay, the difference is 2. The twin prime numbers, either we add or subtract 2 less or 2 more. When we subtract 2 from 5, we will get 3, and when we add 3, when we add 2 to 3, we will get 5. So this is prime triplets. Okay. So till here, tell me that this is understood by everyone. These are very easy topics. You already studied earlier before in previous classes. Yes, friends, tell me. Yes, friends, I am audible. Yes, I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible, but you have muted.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
MashaAllah. Yes, beta.
Sir, you are audible.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beta, listen to me. Now listen to me. Okay. Okay, I am not put you on. Listen to me. If you are listening to me, then I tell you. Listen to me carefully. Okay, this thing is very easy. You understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
this sieve of Erathons is this you have to read and tell me. Okay,
Sir.
Erathon is okay. This 7.5 you have to read and tell it to me on my number.
7.5.
7.5. This sieve is given to you. The steps are given 1, 2, 3, 4. This you have to read and tell
So I
it to
can
me.
read.
Not now.
Sir,
Okay.
can I read?
No, beta, not now. This you have to tell me in on my number. Okay, after the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now this is very
Sir,
important
please
thing.
tell again what we have to read.
You on page number
Sir, what
115.
you have to
Beta,
read?
listen to me. Otherwise, I will put you again on security. Okay, I will mute you all. Listen. There is a sieve. You see on page 115. There is a sieve. Yes, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. On page 115, a sieve is there. Okay, at the top of the page. Okay, means like this. Okay, numbers are written here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this you have to read, and what is given you tell me. You write in on page and send it to me. Okay. Now I am going to tell you very important thing, that is test of divisibility of number. Test of divisibility
Of number.
numbers. Okay, this is very
I have understood.
very
Sir, I
good.
have
Very
understood
good.
divisibility rule of numbers.
Listen to me, or I put you on mute. Listen to me carefully. Okay, now move to page number. Okay, first open page number 115. Okay, so I am okay. I am make a see. These are some divisibility rules. Okay, for a number to be, listen to me carefully. Listen to me.
Sir, Monday there is a vacation. Sir, how you will give marks?
Okay, I will individually I will give it to you. Okay, you message me, I will tell it to you.
Okay, it's announced today.
Not today, on Monday you message me, I will tell it to you. Marks.
Sir, which day? Monday.
Yes, yes.
So Monday
Listen,
we have holiday.
beta, you message me, I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Listen, divisibility rules. divisibility for 2. If we see last digit is divisible by 2, then it is divisible by 2 also. Okay, if the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole just see example, she read this thing, this red one is this is divisible by 2. Okay, in the last date we have 2 0 2 4 6, then the number is complete number divisible by 2. Now what is the divisibility for 3? If we suppose this is the number, if we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, then what is that? You have to sum up all the dates, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3. If the sum comes such a number that it is divisible by 3, then this whole complete number is divisible by 3. Is it clear?
So, yes, sir. It is very easy.
Okay, okay. Mashallah, you are very good, mashallah. You are understanding things.
Alhamdulillah, sir, understood very nicely.
Last two, how we check a number divisible by 4? Okay, if you want to check
Second.
divisible.
So this is also very easy. So we have to see the last two numbers.
Okay, we have to last
Not
two digits
divided
number.
by two.
Listen, beta. If it is divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible. Like here, 24 is divisible by 4. So this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Hamza Kamar, don't do that. Last for 5, you see last date. If it is contains 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Similarly, you can see for 7 also, double the value of the last digits and subtract the result from the rest.
Can you raise that line? That circle is there because I cannot see. Second one.
Means I'm not.
So can you explain 5.1?
5.5 means 5.5.
So 5.1. Last digit is 0 or 5.
Sir, it is very
Okay,
easy.
okay. If the number contains, okay, this is your number 670735. If we want to check whether it is divisible by 5 or not, we have to check the last digits. If the last digit contains 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 5. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
how
Now
we check
I
how we check any number divisible by 6? We have to check that
This is very easy.
the number should be divisible by both the numbers, like 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 7. First go to 8. If last 3 numbers is divisible by 8, then it is divisible by 8 also. Okay, see the last only 3 numbers.
Yes, sir.
For 9,
800 divided by 8 is equal to 100.
on 9 also, as in case of 3, we have to take the sum. In 9 also, we have to take the sum of the digits. If it is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9, as it is seen in the example. Okay. And for the last digit number for 10, if last digit number is 0, then we all know that it is divisible by 10. Now come to 7. How to check the divisibility of 7? Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is written here, double the value of the last digits. Okay. It means last digit is 5, we have to double it. Okay, we have multiplied it 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It is clear. Yes.
Double the value of last digit and subtract the result from the rest of the number. Means on doubling, we have to subtract. On doubling, we have to subtract the remaining number. Which number we doubled? 5 number. Number 5 is get doubled. So this is get subtracted from the given number. Okay. First we double this number 5. Okay. 5 we double 5. Then after that we have subtract the rest from the rest number. Subtract the result. Okay, we are subtracting the result from the rest given number. So this is will be clear to you. See another also. Okay, this is same. Look here. Okay, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. A number is divisible by 3 if the number of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay, if how we check it is divisible by 4? If the last two digits is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4. Okay, for 5, we have to check the last digit contains 0 or 5, yes or no. If it is contains 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5 itself. Okay,
Student behaved.
and how we check 6? Okay, if the number is both divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, so this thing is clear? Yes, beta, this thing is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, what you have to do? Okay, so do in assignment. Okay, what you have to do? Yeah.
Can you share?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the page which you are showing, can you show
That one table on the WhatsApp.
What? Which one, beta? Which one?
Sir, please show that divisibility rule.
Okay, okay, I'm showing it to you. Don't. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is table for with examples. Okay, and this is only rules. Okay, beta.
Sir, please show the one with
Sir, can you please tell me the divisibility rule of 11?
Beta, it is written. See here, separate the last digits from the number formed by remaining digits. If the new number divisible by 11, then the original number is divisible by 11. Okay. So,
Sir, can you see that one? That one before that you have seen before this. Yes, sir, this one.
okay. Yes, everyone, assignment is clear to you? What you have to do in assignment?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
You have to do two exercises. Okay. 7.1 and 7.2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me carefully. Try to complete by Sunday, because after that you will start preparing for the test. Okay, assessment or whatever you have the queries in chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, you can ask me on my number. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Sir, you will take 4 chapters, 1 test.
No. I'm saying that you do this assignment 7.1 and 7.2 soon, so that you will get the time to study for the assessment. Okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
second thing what I've said is that if you have any problem in any problem beta from chapter 1 to 4 regarding assessment, so you can ask me. Okay, beta, in sets or whatever you have having. Okay, sets, operation on sets and Venn diagram, number system and integers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone understood all the divisibility?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Please send these tables
Yes,
on the
sir.
group so that we
This-
will remember them.
Okay, I will send it to you. Okay.
Is
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Future persona, future persona.
Okay, so
Sir,
yes, beta. Beta, remember to
can you take test tomorrow?
yes.
So, chapter number 4th.
What you are saying?
I'm saying, sir, can you take test of chapter number 4 tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Okay, I will give you questions for practice. Okay.
Okay.